Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection to see how it's been doing in the market and if you should start panicking. Be sure you watch the entire video because I'll be doing a breakdown of the entire UPC and if this is still a good investment. I'd like to thank you guys so much for your constant support and highlight this subscriber. Thank you so much for your comment. If you have a kind comment, please leave it down below and it may be featured in my next video. Let's get into this market analysis of the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. So as a reminder, these are the items that are found in the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. So you get all these packs, these promos, dice, sleeves, playmat, and also you get the box itself. So let's go ahead and break down each and every single one of these items to see where the price point is. So looking at the packs, you can see Brilliant Stars, it's sitting around $335 to $415 on the high end. And you get 3 of them, so you're looking at about $12.50 of value right there. Next is 3 Astral Radiance. They're sitting around $290 to $320, and with the high-end price, we're looking at about $9.60. And then 2 Lost Origin, which gives you around $6.90 for that higher price point. You have 1 Vivid Voltage and 1 Darkness Ablaze, which is sitting around $3 and $4 each. And the last 2 sets is 3 Fusion Strike and 3 Evolving Skies. Fusion Strike, you're looking at about $9.50, and Evolving Skies is where the big hitter is. High-end price point, you're looking at about $23.22. So with all these packs, you're looking at $67.86 of value on the high end, which is pretty good considering MSRP for the Charizard UPC is $120. And then there's also the promos, so you got the Charizard V, the Charizard VMAX, and then Charizard V Star. With those 3, we're looking at $40.58 of value, which is pretty good. I know that they've come down pretty far from where they were pre-release. However, you gotta say they've held up pretty well considering how numerous and abundant the UPC has been. And then I'm not gonna break down the individual components of the box, but you do have the playmat, you do have the dice, the sleeves. You can get more value if you go and sell those individually. It's a lot harder just to get rid of. I've seen a lot of them sell in total for about $20, so we're just gonna say $20 for all that, including the box. Grand total, we have $128.44 of value. So the question is, why are the prices so low? And is it still a good investment? Before that, I'd like to highlight the PSA population of the Charizard UPC promos. It's kind of funny because you see a correlation between the PSA 10 population and where the promo was in the packaging that it came in. Obviously, the promo in the middle has been seeing a lot more PSA 10s. So why is the price so low right now? Well, I gotta tell you something. A lot of shops run on credit. And what does that mean? So a lot of shops buy things from distributors on, let's say, a credit card. Maybe they're on a loan. A lot of them don't use cash to buy products. That means they have a bill, a credit card to pay, and when creditors come knocking and you don't have your product sold to pay off that debt, things start to look pretty grim. So here's what happens. The distributor price for the Charizard UPC is about $80 and they sell them for $120 MSRP. The influx of supply, we're seeing a lot of people trying to dump their Charizard UPCs. Because they got to pay their bills, they're willing to sell them at a loss or break-even point. $80, they are definitely losing money on the Charizard UPC. $90, they're pretty much breaking even after all the work of packaging and shipping. I think it'll be pretty rare to see the Charizard UPC fall below that $80 mark. However, I think $80 is a very, very good price point to buy the Charizard UPC right now. In terms of the Charizard UPC being a good investment, I would still say yes. If you bought it on credit or your timeline is not greater than 5 years, it's going to be very difficult for you. You have to think about the packs that are in this box. Now this is Sword and Shield exclusive, and a lot of these will eventually go out of print. It's going to take about 2 more years, maybe even 3, for us to finally see Sword and Shield be done with printing. So I'm not really expecting too much from the Charizard UPC promos. However, they are exclusive to this Ultra Premium Collection, which will help in the future. So if you're a long-term investor, I wouldn't sweat it. I'd probably actually go and buy more at $90 or $80 price points. That's a really, really good buy. If you're a scalper, you're probably feeling a lot of pain right now. However, you gotta think 2021 scalpers were like profiting left and right. So I mean, I guess I really don't feel bad. My outlook for the Charizard UPC is 5 to 10 years. I'm willing to bet by this time next year, you're gonna see a really nice price movement on it. It's still gonna take a lot of time for it to reach levels such as $300 plus. I'm honestly not too worried about this investment because I know Charizard is a really good hold long term. And it's Sword and Shield. This is where a lot of people start started to come back into the hobby, and it's just gonna explode later on. So that's my breakdown of the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. I hope this helped ease some of your nerves, and I hope you found this information helpful. Again, if you have a kind comment, please leave it down below and it may be featured in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace!